What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. And y'all read the title, man. The support and resistance trading strategy makes it so easy. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 AM EST on this very same channel. So as you can see right here, we're looking at gold, and this was a huge 1-to-5, almost 1-to-6 risk reward ratio that we caught. Not only did I break this trade down and enter it during the London session live stream, but we also broke this down with the members during the New York news. As you can see, we went live at 8:30 for the New York news, and then we also, again, if you missed any of the lives, recorded and posted in the channel so you can watch them. And then of course we broke this down the New York price watch list at 9:28, and then you can see we entered this at 9:31. Again, you can see all TVs got hit, and again, beautiful setup right here. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So this was a nice 1-to-5 risk reward ratio. So that means whatever we risk, we made 5 times that amount. So if I was risking $100, I made $500. If I was risking $1,000, I made $5,000 off this one trade alone. So now we're going to break down why we took this setup and how you can catch a similar move just like this one. So the first thing I always tell my members and students to do, and I break this down in the course of one-on-one sessions, is you want to identify the trend on the bigger time frame. The reason why you want to identify the trend on the bigger time frame is because the bigger time frames are going to tell you the direction price is going overall, versus the smaller time frames only tell you what price is doing at that exact moment. So the biggest mistake a lot of y'all make is y'all try to do everything on the same time frame. You try to identify the trend and then enter on the same time frame. If you try to identify the trend on the smaller time frame, that's how y'all get caught in these fake outs and liquidity sweeps all the time, because the smaller time frames aren't going to tell you the trend. The smaller time frames are only going to tell you what price is doing at that moment. The bigger time frames are going to tell you the true trend and tell you the direction price is going. You want to go with the flow of price and the direction price is going overall. So once we do that, we can see here that we have bullish momentum. We saw some exhaustion. Price rejected this level, started treating the support level as a resistance, as we can see right here. But then you can see price a couple weeks later broke back above this level, retested, respecting this as support, give us a new higher high. So since we see price respect this level as support and we see higher highs getting made, that means that we need to break this high to the left next. So since we know we're in an uptrend, and that means if we're in an uptrend, we only want to go for buys, just like for in a downtrend, we only want to go for sells, then all we got to do is mark off my key price levels and look for our entries and confirmation. Boom. So now that we've got a key price levels marked off, again, we want to enter buys off support. It's just like you want to only enter sells off resistance. So this is where we go into the smaller time frame. So again, we were looking for buys. So we only got 3 places or 3 moves we're potentially looking for. We're looking for A, because price is right here, to either break this level, treat as support, we can go for buys here, or B, price reject this level, come back down to this level and see if we can hold this as support where we can go for buys. Or C, price just retraces down to this level, retest it, and if it holds as support, then we go for buys. Now, obviously, if price retraces down to this level and fails to hold this level as support, starts treating as resistance, then we're not going to go for buys. That's why we always wait for our confirmations. So as you can see right here, price rejected this level. So now we're either waiting for price to reattempt to break this level again and hold that support, or like I said, we're going to wait for price to retrace down to this level, see how it reacts, then we can hold that support, then we're going to go for a buy there. rejected the level again. Boom. So now that price touched this level, we want to see if it can hold that support. So when we zoom in, we see prices respect this low as support. So once we saw price start to respect this level of support, that's what gave me the green light to not only enter the trade, but call this signal out to the members. And again, if we look at these time frames, we can see here at 9:30, this was the 9:30 candlestick, right here, 9:45. And you see here that we entered this at 9:31. See, we dropped the New York price watch list at 9:28, and we dropped this record at 9:21, but we went live at 8:30 where we broke this stuff down. And again, we also broke this down in Sunday chart analysis as well as the London session live that day. So as we see, after price held this level as support, we just had to let price do what it was going to do. Struggled a little bit to break this level, did another retracement retest, but it still respected this level as support. And after that retest, consolidated again, then the volume kicked in going into New York session, and the rest was history. Again, this is what we was looking for here. Again, strong resistance got turned to strong support. After price retested, respected as support, went for another buy here, caught another nice 1 to 3 risk reward. So I caught a nice 1 to 5 here, and then a nice 1 to 3. So I made 8 times a nice 1-8 risk reward right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. So it's literally that simple, y'all. You identify the trend, you wait for your confirmations, only go for buys if we're in the uptrend, only go for sells if we're in a downtrend. Make sure to have a good risk reward ratio, and then let price do what it's going to do. It's that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description during the free signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how I identify these levels, interested in my signaling services or my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signaling, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sells going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.